Today topic is infertility. So let's see. Okay, first one is definition. So infertility is the inability to conceive within 1 year, okay, after a regular intercourse. So that we called as infertility. Okay, it also a woman who unable to carry pregnancy is said to be infertility. Okay, so next one is types of infertility. So there are two types. One is primary and another one is secondary. Okay, so in primary, the woman who has never had a child before, okay, never had a child before, we called as primary infertility. Okay, and in secondary, one partner can give baby. Okay, can give baby. So these are the types of infertility. So in primary, never had a child before, we called as primary infertility, and secondary, one partner can able to give a baby. Okay, so next one is incidence. So in incidence, a 40% it is in male and a 40% about female and 20% both. Okay, so these are the incidents. And next we are going to discuss about causes. In causes, we are going to discuss about female causes and male causes. So first we are going to see female causes. Okay, in female causes, a failure to ovulate. Okay, first one is failure to ovulate, and it fails to produce the mature egg. Okay, due to decreased follicular stimulating hormone and LH hormone, it fails to produce the mature eggs. And second one is malfunctioning of hypothalamus. Okay, and third one is malfunctioning of pituitary gland. Okay, so in third one, malfunctioning of pituitary gland. Okay, so okay, next one is scarred ovaries. In scarred ovaries are due to physical injuries. Okay, physical injury. And so next one is infections due to any infections and premature menopause. Okay, premature menopause and due to some genetic disorder. Okay, genetic disorder. So next one is follicular problems. In follicular problems, inadequate GnRH. Okay, which means gonadotropin releasing hormone. Okay, it causes a hypogonadotrophic. Okay, hypogonadotrophic hypogonadism. Okay, and hypergonadotrophic hypergonadism. Okay, and an increase in prolactin level causes a negative feedback mechanism. Okay, prolactin level causes negative feedback mechanism. So this all are in follicular problems. And next one is ovarian causes. Okay, in ovarian causes, PCOD. Okay, PCOD means androgen secreted in blood and progesterone level will be increased. Okay, so there may be a premature ovarian failure. And second one is premature ovarian failure and a luteal phase defect will be there. Okay, luteal phase. So luteal phase defect will be there. And next causes pelvic or fallopian tube or ovarian causes. So here any STD, okay, sexually transmitted disease, and TB of uterus, okay, or endometriosis or any congenital formation. Okay, due to congenital malformation and any septal defects. So okay, in next one is septal defects or altered tubular motility and salpingitis. Okay, so next we are going to see cervical causes. In cervical causes, immunological disorder. Okay, immunological disorder, anti-sperm antibody. Okay, which means anti-sperm antibody. Okay, so in cervical causes, immunological disorder will be there. And next one is other problems. So in other problems, fibroid in uterus and recurrent miscarriage will occur. So next one is behavioral changes or environmental changes. Behavioral changes, diet, exercise and smoking. Okay, so these are the causes of infertility. Next one is test. There are 5 steps in test. Okay, so first one is test on ovulatory function. In test of ovulatory function, hormonal level will be checked and an endometrial biopsy will be done. Okay, second one is semen analysis. In semen analysis, Hemizona assay test will be done. Okay, and third one is a test on cervical functioning. Okay, test on cervical functioning. And fourth one is this is related to reproductive tract. Okay, this is related to reproductive tract. So next one is laparoscopy will be done. Okay, so fifth one is, so it visualize the inner organs. Okay, so next one is drugs. Okay, so in first one is ovulatory disorder. So in ovulatory disorder, human menopausal gonadotrophin, okay, which is HMG, human menopausal gonadotrophin. Okay, so here pergonal and metrodin will be given. Okay, so these all about female infertility. So in next part we are going to see male infertility. Okay, thank you.